What's up, Dough-mancers? Welcome back to episode 17 of Roll for Sourdough, the chaotic baking series where I let the dice control my loaves. Today we're using the Void Reaver dice from Die Hard Dice, and as always, this series is inspired by Roll for Sandwich, Roll for Barbecue, and Roll for Breakfast, and all the other amazing World 4 content out there. I'm excited for this episode, so let's get into it and see what the dice have in store for us. And as always, we start with the Chaos Roll. And today, we roll a 3. A crit fail. I guess let's get to the all-in sheet and see what we're gonna have to build today. And the dice are doing weird things, and we got a 2 for a fast food meal. So let's move to the fast food sheet and see what restaurant we have to turn into a bread. And we get a 10, which is KFC. So let's hit it. Let's get to KFC. And here we are at my local KFC. I'm gonna let my brother take over for a minute.
Buppity 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 ba. Boopity 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 buppity boopity boopity ba. He doesn't know how to open up a door.
The boy gets to go back in because they didn't have the food ready. Ooh-wee. A proper gentleman. Indeed, indeed. Who's a good boy? Is that you? Is you a good boy?
It's been a great day. Wowza.
After an hour and a half of waiting to get the food, we finally are back home. So let's see what we're going to start with. And we're starting with the gravy. I'm adding it to my dough as part of my hydration. I'm excited to see how this dough is going to turn out. So here we go. I am putting in 80 grams of KFC gravy into the dough, replacing some of the water, and here it is after it was mixed. The dough is looking great. Can't even tell there's gravy in it. Here is the dough after 10 hours of bulk fermenting. It's looking good, it's spreading good, but we're gonna hit it with some more gravy because you can't have enough KFC gravy. And I decided that I wanted to make my own famous bowl, so here we are with some sweet corn, get it all spread out. And then they have these mashed potato poppers, so I did that instead of mashed potatoes. And then we got chicken strips. I'm gonna lay all these chicken strips out, get as much on as I can without being overcrowded. And I'm excited, it's looking good. I don't have cheese because I'm only using things I got from KFC, hence the no seasoning. But we're getting another layer of chicken strip and getting folded up, and it folds and it's rolling and it's feeling great. The bread just looks fantastic and it smells good. It smells like KFC. There's a big little knot in it. It's a little weird, but I think it's gonna turn out amazing. And here it is after sitting in the fridge for about 8 hours. And you know, I gotta let you guys know what's in the bread. KFC. Hopefully it turns out. And you can kind of see it. I see the K, I see the C. Not sure about the F, but it's close enough. And here it is. It looks fantastic. It's fluffy. It's cooked amazingly. It smells heavenly. If you like KFC, you will most definitely like this bread. But as always, gotta get a thumbnail. Look at the corn. Look at the chicken. You can see it all in there. And here we are with the bite. Yeah, it tastes like KFC. And unfortunately for me, this KFC wasn't very great. But the bread is fantastic for what it is. I liked it a lot. I call it the famous loaf, and I gave it an 8 out of 10. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.